Hi.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today, we present an excavator and dumpster and can and sand and bulldozers and front roads.
Yeah.
Can you say excavator now?
Yeah, you can sing Excavator.
Really? Huh?
Wow, you got some nice teeth. You got a good excavator. Broken. It looks good, but it's broken. What happened?
No, but don't worry, I'll fix it.
You gonna fix it?
Yeah.
There's a dump truck.
Here you go.
Dump it in there.
Boom. Whoa.
What happened?
Barrel scoop. I have one in there.
Here come Bulldozer. Whoa.
Thank you.
Here come the Bulldozer.
Hey, I have a bulldozer too.
You want a Bulldozer too? Okay.
Push down this way. Put on the vegetable.
Okay, I'm gonna get scoop.
Me.
Okay, let me get one scoop first. Let me get one scoop. Whoa. Nice.
You.
Are you digging up again?
I found a toy.
Yeah, good. You use a toy to play with.
Yay. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm not gonna spill it anymore.
Okay, good.
Wow. I'm gonna there you go. Scoop. For your birthday. Yeah. You have a wait.
Are they making friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look. It might find you.
Yeah.
Get them. Push. Piece. Push. How do you say? There's a monster there. Come on, let's push. Uh-oh.
You're gonna have a tree on top of here.
Yay. You. I found, wait. Some trees. Wait, it's right there. Wait, I found a tree right there.
You found a tree?
Yeah.
Oh, must be buried a million years ago, huh?
Wow.
It's still green. That's amazing. Are you digging deep for oil? Are you looking for oil?
Look. The excavator buried the tree.
Yeah? It's burying the tree?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, there's your place. That's the water bowl.
Okay, who want a scoop? Who want a big scoop? Ooh. Who dug up the tree? Did you dug up the tree? I think let's bury the tree. Let's bury the tree. Let's bury this tree. It's buried. It's gone.
Look at a push.
My job is done. I'm bagging up. I'm bagging up. Eat, eat,
Get on your legs.
eat.
I'm a bulldozer push.
You're a bulldozer, huh?
Come on, it's a bulldozer push. Push the water bowl. There's this bulldozer push. That's the
Hey,
way.
you need a hard hat on, dude.
Huh?
You're working in the construction, you need a hard hat. You need to wear a hard hat.